Here's silver. Silver on the daily scale is showing us definitely potential to continue to hold support here, and in my opinion it's come back for an attempt to rally again. You can see the divergence here. We have very nice momentum playing into the hands of the bulls short term, and you can see the attempt to go higher while the correction pulled it quite a lot lower. It didn't lose that momentum, it still kept looking up. I want to show you this if I get a chance here. Do you see? While the correction took it almost to retest the floor, it continued vigorously here with the momentum, and that is a good sign. That is a good sign. We are looking at something pretty interesting here. If you look carefully at the chart, you can see the 20 moving average. That's the 50, that's the 200. And look how the 20 has been really holding it down for a long time, for a very long time. Okay, if we now close above the 20 and we run not just above the first line of overhead resistance right here at around 14.3, but we actually managed to cross and climb to above this level, which is 15 roughly, we will score the first run above the 20 moving average for quite many days. Okay, quite a lot of days, and that in my opinion will have pretty important implications as to the development of the price action later on. So silver is looking definitely very interesting. A close above resistance here at 1435, 1440 could be followed with a pretty robust rally to tackle higher highs. Now here's the chart of gold. That is the 60 minutes of the chart of gold, and my conclusion looking at this chart, if you like, my instantaneous conclusion, instinctive conclusion, is that it is going laterally as it is preparing for an extended run on the upside. Okay, that is my instinctive reaction when I see this chart. It is not obviously ready at this point to puncture the overhead resistance and fly through that. It came down, it's testing, it's running sideways, and it is leaving us really with a question mark at this very moment whether we are supposed to treat this as an A, B, C, or whether this is a 1, 2, 3, and that'll be our 4 and that'll be our 5. Okay, at that point it could open quite a few other alternatives for us to investigate. If it runs through this level, okay, the next very, very important level for you to watch is going to be this, because if it runs through this level, it turns this into an ABC, and then we don't know whether this is really the end of the second wave or the B, and that is your first leg up, that's your second, and it's going up in a third wave. You see, that will almost certainly coincide with a sharp move in the euro. Yeah, euro shooting higher substantially, dollar index diving, Australian dollar, US dollar running up. Okay, these things are going to take place as and if gold runs up above 12.12, 12.13 or so, and flies through that, then you know that is a 108 to be complete right here. That's your 1, that's your 2, it's going up in a third wave. A third wave off a third wave, or a third wave off a C. Okay, anything else, staying around here, jumping about this level, staying around here, would basically mean that it is extending the lateral movement, extending the second wave of the B, but I would still keep the bullish opinion short term here concerning gold, that what we see here is likely to lead to eventual testing of this resistance and potentially going above that. Okay, so that is the situation currently concerning gold.